I just want to show everyone something really cool here. If you're familiar with Linux, I'm sure you're familiar with package managers. If you're not, don't let me confuse you here, by the way. But in Linux, when you want to get something, of course you can do it the old-fashioned way. Go download it, whatever. Go to the internet, go to the website, all that mess. In Linux, there's a package manager. Don't be confused by what I just pulled up either. This is just you can run Ubuntu, which is a Linux variant. You can run that within Windows 10 now. So I'm just showing you what most people would do if they're running Linux. If you weren't familiar with it. So if you wanted to update a program, install a program, you could just literally type the name in here. Apt-get install, let's say Steam or something. Anyways, you can do that in Windows now, and it's very good package manager. At least I like it. You'll end up typing the command winget. I'll post installation instructions on how to get it set up in the comments or in the description. So for instance, let's do winget. What should we install? Notepad++. That's the reason I actually pulled this up, because I was like, man, I don't want to go to the website and do all that. We'll just do this. I need to do the install command. Easy peasy. Look at that. The great thing about it is the sources. Always let them installing. The sources are great. They're all very up to date, and pretty much every program. And I was very surprised, even some of the programs that were on here by default. But everything you could ever want is in here. 7-zip, Adobe. It drives me crazy when I get on a newer computer or something, and I just want to install something really quick and get it done, get it out of the way. Or maybe I need to update something. But you can also, of course, edit, the sources and where they point to. But I was just very impressed, for such a open source app, and Windows and all, not so. Gotta take it with a grain of salt, but I was just very impressed that all the sources were updated and working well. So, anyways, I just thought it was a cool thing for everyone to check out. Look, they even have Epic Games Launcher. I don't even need that. I want to install that. Let's see if they have. I think they even have Ubisoft. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, Uplay. Look at that. I even have that. Awesome. Cool. I just like that it's a nice, easy, silent installation too. Of course, it's not going to bring up all that junk. It's just a whole lot easier to do things. Like I said, if you're coming from the Linux world, you understand this completely, but it's a breath of fresh air on Windows 10. Thanks.